Have you ever wondered how some people seem to have an uncanny ability to get what they want? The secret might lie in the 48 laws of power. In the world we inhabit, power is an elusive and coveted commodity. It's a game of strategy and wit, a dance between ambition and caution. It's a world where the rules are often hidden, but they do exist. These rules are what we call the 48 laws of power. The 48 laws of power is a compelling read, a distillation of wisdom from centuries of human history, a guide to achieving and maintaining power. This intriguing compilation is the brainchild of Robert Greene, a best-selling author known for his deep dives into human nature, strategy, and power dynamics. Greene's work is not merely a product of his own imagination though, it's a synthesis of the strategies and tactics of some of the world's most influential figures. From Sun Tzu, the ancient Chinese military strategist, to Niccolò Machiavelli, the Renaissance political philosopher, to Napoleon Bonaparte, the French military leader, Greene has drawn lessons from the best and the brightest in the realm of power and strategy. The 48 laws of power are not just about achieving personal gain. They're about understanding the dynamics of power that operate in our world, about recognizing the patterns that influence human behavior. It's about developing a strategic mindset to navigate the complexities of life, whether in your personal relationships, your career, or your journey to self-improvement. These laws are not rules to be followed blindly, but tools to be used judiciously. They're not about manipulation or deceit, but about awareness and understanding. They're about empowering yourself to take control of your own destiny, to make informed decisions, and to carve your own path in this world. So are you ready to unlock the power within, to understand the strategies that have shaped the world, to equip yourself with the tools to navigate the complexities of power and strategy? Let's dive into these laws and find out how they can change your life. Starting with the first 12 laws, we uncover the strategies that have been used by the most powerful figures throughout history. These are not merely abstract concepts but practical tools that, when applied with finesse, can make a significant impact on your personal and professional life. The first law, never outshine the master, is a cornerstone of power dynamics. It reminds us to always respect those in positions of authority, not by being submissive, but by understanding their perspective and adding value to their efforts rather than trying to surpass them. The second law, never put too much trust in friends, learn to use enemies, teaches us to be cautious in our relationships. It's about understanding human nature and leveraging it for mutual benefit. Law 3, conceal your intentions, emphasizes the importance of strategy, of keeping your plans close to your chest, to prevent others from sabotaging your goals. The fourth law, always say less than necessary, is about maintaining an air of mystery, letting others fill in the blanks and giving you the upper hand in negotiations. The next few laws, from 5 to 12, range from so much depends on reputation, guard it with your life, to learn to keep people dependent on you. Each law builds upon the previous, creating a complex web of strategies that can transform your understanding of power dynamics. For instance, guarding your reputation is about understanding its value in the social and professional arena. It's your calling card, your brand, and it can open doors or close them. On the other hand, learning to keep people dependent on you isn't about manipulation. It's about creating value, becoming indispensable in your personal or professional circle, and thus, gaining power. These laws set the foundation for understanding power dynamics. But there's more to learn. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the next set of laws, each one a stepping stone to the next, each one a thread in the intricate tapestry of power. The next 12 laws delve deeper into the intricacies of power. Let's start with the 13th law, use absence to increase respect and honor. This law reminds us that our presence can be overwhelming and, paradoxically, our absence can make hearts grow fonder. When we step away, we allow others to realize our value and long for our return. It's a simple wisdom that resonates even in today's digital age, where maintaining a bit of mystery can be more enticing than oversharing. Next we have, play a sucker to catch a sucker. This law is all about the art of deception. It's not about being dishonest, but rather being strategically humble. By playing down your abilities, you may catch your rivals off guard, giving you a competitive edge. It's a strategy often used in business and politics, where appearing less threatening can lead to underestimated capabilities. Moving on, we reach laws like transform weakness into power and master the art of timing. These laws teach us to turn disadvantages into advantages and to understand the importance of striking when the iron is hot. Life is full of opportunities, but it's up to us to seize them at the right moment. Other laws such as create compelling spectacles and stir up waters to catch fish, remind us of the power of drama and chaos in capturing attention and distracting our competition. In a world where attention is currency, these laws hold more relevance than ever. The list continues with laws like chain the melody and keep others in suspended terror, which underline the importance of consistency and maintaining an air of unpredictability. These laws show us how to keep people engaged and on their toes, creating a captivating narrative that others can't help but follow. Our exploration of these laws ends with play the perfect courtier and recreate yourself. These laws encourage us to adapt to our surroundings and to constantly evolve in order to stay relevant and powerful. As we continue on this journey, the laws become more complex and intriguing. Now we enter into the territory of the more profound laws of power. Our journey continues with the 25th law, recreate yourself. This law urges you to be the master of your own image rather than letting others define it for you. It's about understanding that you have the power to shape your identity and the way others perceive you. This law is pivotal to personal growth and gives you control over your narrative. Moving forward to Law 26. Keep your hands clean. This law emphasizes the importance of maintaining your reputation. It's about ensuring that your actions are justifiable and that any negativity is directed towards others. It's not about being deceitful but about understanding the value of a clean slate in the power play. Next we have Law 27, play on people's need to believe. This law is all about understanding people's need for faith and belief. It's about becoming an icon that others can look up to, providing them with a sense of security and trust. We then proceed to Law 28, enter action with boldness. This law encourages you to approach every action with confidence and audacity. It's about understanding that hesitation often leads to failure, whereas bold moves can intimidate and win the day. Law 29, plan all the way to the end, is about foresight. It's about understanding the consequences of your actions and planning accordingly. This law urges you to think ahead, anticipate possible obstacles, and have a plan to overcome them. Next is Law 30, make your accomplishments seem effortless. This law is about maintaining an air of mystery and making your success seem natural and inevitable. It's about letting your accomplishments speak for themselves and not revealing the sweat and tears behind them. The laws continue, each one offering a unique perspective on power and how to wield it effectively. From control the options to disdain things you cannot have, these laws provide a comprehensive understanding of power dynamics. With these laws, we start to see the bigger picture of what power truly is. In the final stretch, we uncover the last 12 laws of power. Let's delve into the intricacies of these principles, starting with the 37th law. Think as you like but behave like others. This law suggests that expressing too much of your own thinking can lead to social ostracization. The key here is to blend in, to camouflage your true intentions, and yet masterfully influence others without them realizing it. Moving on, we come across the 42nd law. Strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. This law is about understanding the power dynamics in any group. Remove the leader and the followers will scatter, making them easier to control. Then we have the 43rd law. Work on the hearts and minds of others. This law emphasizes the importance of emotional intelligence. By understanding and influencing the emotions and thoughts of others, you can gain significant power over them. The 46th law, never appear too perfect, advises us to reveal our vulnerabilities occasionally to avoid envy and resentment. Perfection can be intimidating, and showing some imperfections can make you more relatable and less threatening. Finally, the 48th law, assume formlessness. This law is about adaptability. By not committing to any one form or strategy, you remain flexible and capable of responding to any situation. Now, let's reflect on the implications and applications of these laws. They aren't about manipulation or deceit, but about understanding the dynamics of power in our relationships and societies. These laws can help you navigate complex social landscapes, influence others, and ultimately, gain the power you seek. However, it's crucial to remember that these laws should be applied responsibly and ethically. Power, after all, is a double-edged sword. It can create and destroy, uplift and oppress. By understanding and applying these 48 laws, you can gain the power and influence you seek. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. We've journeyed through the realm of power and influence, unveiling the 48 laws that can guide you to success. We've navigated the labyrinth of these laws, each one a stepping stone on the path to personal and professional achievement. We began by unlocking the power within. Remember, the first 12 laws emphasize the importance of being self-reliant, always saying less than necessary, and creating an air of mystery around oneself. We learned that concealing our intentions and always keeping others in suspense defends our strategies and keeps us in control. Next, we delved into laws 13 to 24. Here, we discovered the significance of playing on people's need to believe, the power of absence, and the cunning art of deception. These laws remind us that power is often a game of smoke and mirrors. Then, we decoded laws 25 to 36. We learned to disassociate from the unsuccessful, to create compelling spectacles, and to think as we like but behave like others. These laws teach us to be adaptable, to captivate attention, and to blend in until it's time to stand out. Finally, we revealed the last 12 laws. We unraveled the importance of assuming formlessness, playing to people's fantasies, and planning all the way to the end. These laws underscore the need for flexibility, foresight, and the ability to captivate the imagination. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. These laws are not a license to manipulate others for selfish gains. They're a toolbox, a set of strategies to navigate the complex social landscapes we all inhabit. They're a reminder that power isn't just about dominance, it's about understanding, adaptability, and strategic thinking. Applying these laws thoughtfully and ethically in your everyday life can open doors, create opportunities, and foster strong relationships. They can help you navigate your path to success while maintaining your integrity and respect for others. With these laws, you hold the key to unlocking your power within. Use it wisely.